Alright, so here's a review of my Scania R164 with a excavator with no number. First of all, I want to tell you where I got this. It's going to be pretty amazing. Get ready for it. Germany. My grandma came, she's German. She brought it all the way from Germany, so you can't buy it in America. Maybe you can, but I don't know where. So I'll start with the excavator. It's a pretty simple excavator with one of those gear motors that's connected with the bucket. Races up and down with the stick and the boom. The cab interior is not very detailed. The exhaust stack is way too big. The radiator is way too big. The bucket's pretty cool. And the crawler tracks are rubber, which I don't like very much. And they have these guardings. Alright, and the truck, it does detach from the trailer. It's black. It has these little lights, American symbols. It has the construction on it, construction logo, and it's a German trailer. It goes up and down. So, that's it for the review.